white paper, and then you place to here. And then we use the tape. Stick. Okay, next we press the nozzle. Okay, we can see the nozzle is not perfect, right? The red colored not good. And then we need to clean the printer head. We press the clean. Okay. We need to replace the paper. We print the nozzle again. We need to go to the software. Setting. And we try to load ink. Load the ink around 20 seconds. Okay, stop. We cleaning. Change the new paper. And we check nozzle again. Okay, we see the nozzle is not good. The color and the color mixed together, right? We need to check the wiper. How to check the wiper? We move the platform inside. Yes. We can see this is the wiper. This is the wiper, and we move the printer head to left. Okay, this is the printer head face, right? The wiper and the printer head face is too far. we need to adjust the wiper more height. So right now I will show you how to adjust the wiper. Okay, first we move the printer head to the left side. We use the screwdriver and we unlock the screw. And right now we can move the wiper height. After we unscrew the screw, we can move the wiper height and down. So the most important is how to set the good height. We move the printer head to right. Wiper to the printer head surface around 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. Yes. Can you see the wiper and the printer head almost touch, but we can't touch around the distance around 1 millimeter. Okay. After we set the correct height, we set the screw. We lock the screw. Okay. Okay. Okay, right now we try to cleaning again, clean the head. Okay, we try to check nozzle again. We press the nozzle. Okay, like this is good. See. Okay, we press the left button, move the printer head to left side. Move to center. We can see the head surface so many ink, right? So many ink. We need to clean this one. We need the tissue. We fold a small piece. We need to wipe the head face from the inside to the outside, like this. Okay, we can't touch many times. We only need to do 1 time. Okay. We press the home. After did that finish, and we place the paper again and check the nozzle again. Okay, we press the nozzle. Okay, very good.